Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this cold girl makeup. It's kind of funny because I'm literally sweating in my hoodie. For the base, I start off with my tone up cream all over my face. Using a concealer, I'm going to hide my dark circles, my pores, and my acne scar. When you're using a powder puff, make sure to distribute the product on the puff evenly so that your face don't look cakey. To fill in the bald spots of my eyebrows, first I brush them up so I can see them clearly, and then I just fill in where I don't have hair. If you love blush, this is your time to shine. Apply blush everywhere. And don't forget to put blush on your nose as well, which is what I did, so yeah. And now I'm going to apply pink glitter on my top eyelid. Using the same palette, I'm going to enhance my Aerosoft. And then I'm going to draw an eyeliner, but I still want the focus to be on the blush, so I'm going to use a brown eyeliner. I also wanted some sparkles on my eye bag, so I used a glitter pen. With the highlighter, I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose, the top of the nose bridge, in my inner corner, and on top of my cheekbones. Curl your lashes and apply your favorite mascara. I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. For the lips, I'm using a light rose color as a base and then a deeper rose color in the center and topping it off with a clear gloss. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and follow or something. Bye!